In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move object and image in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab the main subject in a photo and reposition it with Canva's Magic Grab tool, so your layout looks intentional and polished. Start by opening your design in Canva. Make sure the page with the photo you want to work on is visible on the canvas. Now, click directly on the photo in your design. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around it. If your image sits inside a frame or overlaps with other elements, a single click should still target the photo layer as long as you are on the main canvas. Look toward the top toolbar and choose Edit Photo. This opens the photo editing panel on the left, where Canva's Magic Studio tools live. From here, select Magic Grab. Magic Grab uses AI to isolate the main subject in your image. It works best when T here is a clear person, product, or object with decent contrast from the background. If the panel scrolls, move through the list until you see Magic Grab. Then select it. Once Magic Grab is active, click on your subject to select it. Give the tool a moment to analyze. You'll see a preview as the main object is identified and lifted from the background. When the isolation is ready, click Grab. This tells Canva you are ready to manipulate the subject independently of the background. With the subject grabbed, drag it to a new spot on your canvas to reposition it. You'll notice snapping guides that help you center or align the object with other elements, which is handy for clean layouts. Use the corner handles to resize while maintaining proportions, and the rotate handle if you want to angle it slightly. If you decide the subject doesn't belong, use the delete key or the trash icon to remove it from the scene. Don't worry, undo is always available if you change your mind. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.